How about a quick trip down memory lane? This was last year on January the 16th, 2022. The snow globe was being shaken, and yeah, we had snow, 3 to 4 inches of snow. Then we had about an inch of sleet on top of that. Areas to the west saw over half a foot of snow. And again, that was on the 16th a year ago. A lot different this morning, plenty cold. We started in the teens and 20s. There's a beautiful shot this morning captured by Bob Meyer, his scene there at Chris Green Lake here in Albemarle. Let's take a look at our numbers. Currently 55 at the airport in Earlysville, made it up to a high of 62. Many of us were in the 50s, but there were a few low 60s today. Air mass is very dry. Dew points are in the single digits and teens. 39 at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, made it up to 51 after a morning low of 16. We have 48 in Palmyra, 52 currently in Dillon, 44 in Livingston, 46 in Waynesboro, and 41 currently in Harrisonburg. You can see how the clouds have really rolled in since late this afternoon. Now, a lot of these are high and mid-level clouds. You may still be able to see the stars here for a bit. The clouds will thicken up. The leading edge of this moisture will get eaten away by the dry air that's currently in place. But as we head to the overnight period, we'll start to see some light rain to develop. Temperatures overnight, upper 30s to around 40 across the region. And then for Tuesday, the best chance of rain is in the morning. And then by late morning into the afternoon, we'll start to see some clearing. Temperatures will pop back in the upper 50s to around 60 in many spots. So another mild afternoon. Matter of fact, mild temperatures all this week, upper 50s to around 60 here for Tuesday with mainly morning rain, a break in the action on Wednesday, low and mid 60s. Next chance of rain arriving on Thursday with highs in the upper 50s and low 60s. Now, between tomorrow's rain and Thursday's rain, we're really looking at maybe half an inch or less across the region. There's the American GFS model, the European model, much the same. So again, 2 events, but not a whole lot of rain. But there's the latest system. The cold front's actually back here across Illinois. This is the rain out ahead of it. But again, there's some drier air initially, but it'll work in. Area of low pressures across Iowa. That's lifting up toward Wisconsin. Some colder air on the backside, but not drastically cold, but cold enough to support wintry precipitation. And then we get out across portions of California and the Four Corners area. This is the latest storm to impact the west. That'll bring us our chance of rain in here on Thursday. But as we look at temperatures right now at this hour across the lower 48, there's no Arctic air, colder and cooler, but again, no Arctic air with the Pacific flow working across the country with these systems. So here we are in the early morning hours, 3, 4. There's some rain. That takes us through the the commute, the school commute in the morning. And then by late morning, most of this is beginning to fan out. We'll start to see the clouds break for some sunshine, mid 50s to around 60. We'll start Wednesday morning in the low and mid 40s, and then Wednesday afternoon, pleasant but breezy, temperatures in the low and mid 60s. So for tonight, clouds thicken up, rain developing overnight, upper 30s to around 40 in many spots. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast showing you those temperatures remaining well above average here. Again, better rain chance tomorrow morning, and then we'll have another opportunity on Thursday. Right now, the weekend starts dry, could have another system in here to bring rain, or maybe a little mixed precipitation Sunday evening, Sunday night. That's something to watch over the next several days.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.